Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ayushi. Thank you. Next would be Angeline Maria. Can I please hear from you, and please let me know if I'm pronouncing your name right, because yeah, it might be an error there. Angeline, can you please switch on your video and audio?
Ma'am, I think my audio is, my video, I can't on the option. I think it's not working properly. Once again, ma'am, just can you, ma'am, I'm trying my best.
Okay, आप किसी और डिवाइस से लॉगिन करने की कोशिश कीजिए, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. आई विल एलोकेट यू टू अ लेटर पोजीशन. डोंट वरी प्लीज. ठीक है, आप मैनेज करने की कोशिश कीजिए. आपका ऑडियो बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रहा है तो या आप किसी और डिवाइस से फिगर आउट कर लीजिए. नो प्रॉब्लम.
ओके मैम, ओके.
And Sanjita, you can leave if the electricity issue is continuing, so that is that. And okay, so next would be Sneha. Hi Sneha, can I please hear from you? Sneha Gaikawad, please अपना video और audio on कर लीजिए. I request all of you to keep your videos on at least. Hi Sneha.
Minus marks for not switching on the videos and clapping, huh?
Sneha, आपका video अटक गया है, so I guess there is some network issue. Try figuring out.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello,
now.
ma'am.
And even your... Yeah.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Ma'am.
Okay, go on.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon to you. This is Sneha Gaikwad. I'm completed my MSc in SNDT college. Now I'm completed PET exam for PhD, but I didn't satisfied with my field. My mind was drawn again and again to fashion world because I like modeling, cultural activities, dancing. That's why I decided I want to be a part of this such a beautiful fashion world. And this is the right platform for me, and Fascia gives me this golden opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. And I always like to help to stray dogs, animals, old person, and I want to make NGO from them, and it's my big dream. Also, I want to make my parents, my professor feel proud on me. Thank you, ma'am. I'm performing one dance. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you so much. Next would be Urvi. Now there are two Urvis, so if I need to figure out that is it just one person logging in from 2 devices, because in the list we only have one for the account.
Yes,
Please,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. It's me, Urvi.
आपने 2 device से login किया हुआ है?
Actually, ma'am, there is a network connection. That's why I have logged
Okay,
in
no
for
problem.
safety.
I just wanted to confirm that's not an issue. So Urvi, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Good evening, everybody. I hope everyone is safe and sound and healthy. Namaskar. My name is Urvi, and I belong to a city where the heart of our country lies. That is new capital. That is New Delhi. I would like to describe myself as an outgoing and a passionate about things that really interested me. My parents are my biggest strength, and coming from a background, my parents believe that education with purpose is very much important. Currently pursuing computer science engineering, I'm a student who loves to express myself with different form of arts, like art, like dancing, and through music also I play. I have an art form which is Melinga art, which says, I hope it is visible. Yeah, which says open your wings and fly. And I'm a girl who loves to spend time with animals and children because they're the biggest source of happiness. Basically, I'm a happy soul and like to add values in other people's life through my motivation, through my happy skills. And before concluding, I just want to perform a little piece of dance in front of you. So shall I perform, ma'am? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Urvi. Moving forward, we have Nuksha next. Hi, Nuksha. Can I please hear from you?
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Nuksha. शुरू करें? Are we ready?
Yeah, okay. Okay. Everyone has talents. I think they should believe in themselves, and talent hits a target that nothing else can hit. So, hello everyone. Good evening to everyone. And my name is Nuksha Kumawat. I belong to Pune. I've completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science in 2019 year. I've got my certification also in C and C++ diploma. I've done. And I have also got a trophy in my 10th standard after achieving 85%. And I've also completed 6 months. I've done 6 months job at Eclux company as an analyst in chat process. So I believe that we all should love ourselves and do self-love and be grateful and thankful for everything. I love singing and dancing, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, cooking, and instruments learning. So I also believe that we all should love ourselves. And I have done some sketches. I would like to show. This is Taylor Swift. Sorry. So now I'm going to sing a song, which is तेरे होके रहेंगे. कल थे मिले फिर क्यों लगे ऐसे तुमसे मिले अरसा हुआ जैसे अब तो बता जो हो पता तेरे बिना लम्हा जिएगे कैसे ओ तेरे हो के रहेंगे ओ दिल जिद पे अड़ा है ओ तेरे हो के रहेंगे ओ तेरा शौक चढ़ा है ओ I also play guitar, so I would like to play a song, Ek Hasina Thi.
Nuksha, we are out of time, so I'm really sorry.
No problem.
Yeah. We'll have to skip this one. Thank you so much, Nuksha. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next would be Purva. Hi, Purva.
Ma'am, so can we leave? Can I leave?
Okay, Sneha's also asked, see, if you guys have some really urgent work, you are free to go, but unless of course it makes more sense that you stay apart till everybody is done. So that's completely your personal call. Hi Purva, yes, I can.
Hi, Harry, how are you? Yes.
I am good. Thank you for asking. Hope you are doing good too. Shall we start?
Yes, please. Hello, everyone. I would like to start by singing a song that I resonate the most with. नाम गुम जाएगा, चेहरा ये बदल जाएगा, मेरी आवाज़ की पहचान है, गर याद रहे. And one day, she discovered that she was strong, fierce, and full of fire. That not even she could stop herself because her passion burned brighter than her fears. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Purva, born and raised in the city of Oranges, Nagpur. I'm a happy-go-lucky girl who loves to make friends and who's a source of positivity wherever she goes. I'm a person who's driven by passion and who believes with hard work and determination, nothing is impossible. My talent includes singing and dancing. When I perform these arts, it brings joy to my soul. It makes me feel uplifted and happy. Lastly, I want to win forever Miss India because I believe my mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive. And I want to use my success as an inspiration to humanity and be the reason someone believes in goodness of people. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Purva. Thank you. Next would be Swapna. मैंने चैट बॉक्स में सीक्वेंस डाल दिया है, तो अगर किसी को कुछ भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो प्लीज देख लीजिएगा. बट टू अनाउंस इट वुड बी स्वप्ना, भविका, शिवांगी, अनीता, अरुणा, गोपिका, निधि, प्रशस्ति, सुरेखा and Sakshi. So next would be Swapna. Hi Swapna.
Hi ma'am, how are you? Hello? Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Swapna. Go ahead.
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I hope you are doing good. Yes, you're audible.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, please start.
Success is not an accident. It is the result of hard work, dedication, and focus. Namaskar and good afternoon to everyone. I am Swapna Madhav, a 20-year-old student pursuing my degree in the field of fashion designing in Oxford College of Science in Bangalore. I am basically from the state Odisha, which is beautiful for its architectural wonders and enthralling views. I am a simple and confident girl. I am a dreamer, and you can know itself from my name. And my interests revolve around dancing, painting, cooking, and much more. My biggest hobby is to learn new things. Learning new things acts as an engine to my life. Today, I am here in this platform to refine and polish myself, to show the world actually who I am, and definitely to win all of your hearts. At last but not the least, I would like to thank and convey my gratitude towards the FSIA family for providing me this wonderful opportunity to show my in and out beauty in this prestigious platform. Before ending my speech, I would like to show some of my paintings. This is the one. I hope it is visible.
Can you bring it a little closer? The screen lighting is not being adjusted.
It is visible, ma'am?
Most of them. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swapna. Thank you so much. And next would be Bhavika. Hi, Bhavika.
Hi, Harry ma'am. How are you? You're looking so pretty.
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you are doing good too, and you look absolutely wonderful. So shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon to all the beautiful ladies and judges. And I really hope you all are doing good in this pandemic routine. So just before starting my introduction, would love to start with gratitude and surprise to our director ma'am, that is Kirti ma'am. I have made your portrait. I've painted your portrait. Can you see? I hope you can see.
Oh my God, that's lovely, Bhavi. That's amazing. Thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So back to the introduction. Hi, I'm an artist, Bhavika Kiran Tirekar, belonging from the land of spirituality, that is Shirdi, as well as the land of farming. And yes, I'm proud to say I'm a daughter of a farmer. And being from a small town, that has never stopped me to dream big and chase my passions. Here I am participating in this show just not to win the crown and just not to gain the platform, but my dream is to be the source of inspiration to the other girls like me who belongs to an average category and from the small towns. What makes my personality unique is my versatility of skills and talents. As I'm graduated in as an interior designer, and I'm a dancer as well, which bounces my mind and heart with joy and happiness. I'm an artist, and I would love to show you my paintings. Just a minute. Um, Here are all my paintings, and I just don't paint blank canvas, but I sprinkle the love, happiness, and joy through my all the artworks. And also, I'm a writer as well as a poet, and also a YouTuber. And I hope. Just a minute. Sorry, I'm sorry.
भाभी नीचे से कैमरा फ्लिप करने की कोशिश कीजिए.
Ma'am, it's unable to flip the camera. I'm really sorry. I don't know what's
That's okay.
the issue.
आप अपना introduction wind up कर दीजिए. You know आपका time over हो चुका है, but you can wind up. Yeah, you're visible now.
I'm
The
really
time is
sorry.
already over, but
Due
you
to
can wind up.
camera issue, I couldn't complete my introduction. I'm really sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. It's, you can complete. The time is also over, but you can complete. You know, if the jury allows. Yeah.
Jury
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So what makes my personality unique is my versatility of skills, as I'm graduated as an interior designer, but also again I'm a YouTuber, which makes me to represent my skills and talents in front of the audience, as well as I'm a writer and a poet, where one of my favorite quote written by me is, failure is an ultimate success, as failures gives you the experience, and experience leads you towards an ultimate success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you. You know, I guess you played the trump card by impressing the director directly. So that was fun. So we shall move forward. And judges, there's one thing that I'd like you to note. So there are two Nidhis in the list, and the Nidhi that has performed and is present is Nidhi Batra. So that there's no confusion. The one that has performed already is Nidhi Batra. And next would be Shivangi. Hi, Shivangi. Can I please hear something from you? आप म्यूट पे हैं. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
hello.
Shivangi.
Shivangi. Okay, ma'am, readable. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Hello, guys. My name is Shivangi. I am 22 years old. I am from Varanasi. I have completed my graduation. Currently, I am working with Fab India. My hobbies are photography and dancing. Miss India, I think Miss India Forever is the best platform to showcase my dream and achieve. To showcase my talent and achieve my dream. So, ma'am, I want to show my dance.
Thank you so much, Shivangi. Thank you. So next would be Aishwarya. It was out of the sequence because उन्होंने अपना username अभी change किया है. It was showing some devices name. So Aishwarya, are we ready? Can I hear something from you?
Hello.
Hi Aishwarya, are we ready?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, please start.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Aishwarya, आप शुरू कर सकती हैं.
Beauty is not about having a beautiful face. It's about a beautiful mind, beautiful heart, and beautiful soul. Myself, Aishwarya Suman, I am 26-year-old. Being a microbiologist, I am always fascinated about modeling, dancing, acting. मैं अपना डांस रिप्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ. हेलो.
जी, you can do it.
Okay, ma'am. मैम नेटवर्क इशू ये नहीं हो पा रहा है, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
एंजलिन, आपका वीडियो और ऑडियो बिल्कुल सही है. So I really can't figure out network issue कहाँ आ रहा है आपको.
मैम वो जो साउंड प्ले करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
उसका ऑल्टरनेटिव तो कुछ अभी है नहीं. ट्राई कर सकती हैं, आपके पास 30 सेकंड है अभी भी, इफ देयर इज समथिंग पॉसिबिलिटी.
ओके.
ऐश्वर्या, या तो आप ट्राई कीजिए डाउनलोड करने का. आई कैन स्पेयर दोस 30 seconds बाय द टाइम यू डाउनलोड योर ऑडियो, बिकॉज आई विल हैव टू मूव ऑन. टाइम स्पैन आगे बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिएगा whenever you think you are ready, if possibly, and then we can proceed.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please mute yourself. Thank you. Angeline, are you ready? Can we hear something from you? I can see your video. Unmute yourself, please. Aishwarya, please mute yourself.
Nobody will hear your dogs barking, your washing machine, your crying.
Angeline, please अपने आप को unmute कीजिए. एंजलिन, आपका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को माइक का बटन से.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now it's okay, ma'am. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can finally hear you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Hi everyone, my name is Angeline Maria. I am from Kerala, Cochin. I am just 18 years old, just passed my +2. Now my dream is to be a medico, but my passion is to be a film actress and a model. So I got an best the golden opportunity to participate in the Photo Miss India 2021 program. So I was passed for the audition. So I need to be the role model for the whole nation, for my parents, for my friends, all the girls. Actually, I was born in an Orthodox family, so I wish that I could make a change in everyone's life, every girl's life who have the same situation. First of all, I need to show you one of my painting. Just take a look. This is my painting. Jesus Christ. I have done it 2 years before. Now I don't do painting. Actually, now I'm focusing on boxing. Now I need to sing a song. So let me. नजर तो यार आया, दिल को करार आया, तुझ में है प्यार आया, पहली पहली बार आया वो यारा, दिल को करार आया, तुझ में है प्यार आया, पहली पहली बार आया ओ यारा. Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So next would be Anita. Hi Anita, can I please hear from you?
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello,
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. You're looking very gorgeous.
Thank you, Anita. So are you. I'm really fascinated to know what you're going to bring on board. So हम शुरू करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. मैं ready है मेरी time?
Yeah, start.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. रात कितनी भी गहरी क्यों ना, सवेरा तो आता ही. हार है तो जीत तो आएगा ही. भगवान को मानती हूँ, कर्मा में विश्वास रखती हूँ, और हर खेल को डू डाई पर खेलती हूँ. हेलो एवरीवन एंड रेस्पेक्टेड जजेस, मेरा नाम अनीता कुमारी है. एशिया की सबसे बड़ी कॉलोनी कभी रही कंकड़बाग, पटना बिहार की जन्मी पली बड़ी और पटना यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएशन की मैं 41 वर्षीय महिला हूँ. मेरी हाइट 5 फुट 7 इंच है और मैं एक प्ले स्कूल टीचर हूँ. फॉरएवर के पार्टिसिपेट करने के पहले 2 ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया और सफलता भी प्राप्त की, पर वो मेरी मंजिल नहीं थी. मंजिल मुझे फॉरएवर में मिला, जो इतने बड़े मंच पर मुझे आने का अवसर मिला. इसके लिए मैं फॉरएवर के सभी लोगों को और गुरुजन खास कर टीटी मैम को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ. मैं इस माध्यम से सुपर मॉडल और एक सशस्त्र समाज सेविका बनना चाहती हूँ. मुझे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग, म्यूजिक और एडवेंचर ट्रिप्स बहुत ही पसंद है. तो मैं समय को बर्बाद ना करते हुए मैं एक छोटा सा परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो आई होप सो कि सभी लोगों को मेरा डांस पसंद आए. डांस म्यूजिक ऑन करो. एक मिनट.